textbook. She wants to be a successful doctor someday. Again, friends, ladies and gentlemen, our little queen, baby Nina Kale Gabrielle Padayuman. Let's give her a round of applause.
Bye.
The last one is His Majesty King Kingsley George Gammon. Kingsley George C. Gammon is 8 years old, son of Mr. and Mrs. George and Corazon Gammon. He is studying at Casa del Niño Montessori School. He is in grade 2. His favorite cartoon character is Tasmanian. He wants to be a Marine someday. Once again, marching to its throne is Kingsley George C. Gammon, our little king.
Baba. Upo ka lang po. Nya.
Okay, before we will proceed to the next part of the program, gusto niyo na bang marinig ang boses ni Miss Ed Bulaga? Okay, palagpagan natin ang napakagandang Brazilian model at host ng Ed Bulaga. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Diana Meneses.
Oo, i-video pag ayos ang video, yan.
Hello! Kamusta po kayo, mabuti? Okay. I hope you guys enjoy me tonight because I'm gonna sing some songs for you and then I'm also gonna play and mamaya kailangan ko ng 6 ng maliit ng bata, okay? Para dance contest ito. Tapos may gift ako sa inyo. Okay. Anyway, I'll go